So let's set our cruise control, y'all, to Costa Maya. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike with cruise control. Looks a little full. It looks like it's working. That's good. Wish this was working a few months ago. We're at the port of Costa Maya. We are on the Norwegian Getaway 7-day cruise right here in the Western Caribbean. Today is day 6, our last port stop, Costa Maya. We've done several videos like this in the past, but we're going to give you a different one today. Just give you a quick walking tour of Costa Maya and let you see what it's like when only 2 ships are here. A lot of times there's 4 ships here and it's very crowded. So today we have the Norwegian Jewel and then our ship here, the Norwegian Getaway. We've had a great time on this ship, y'all. I highly recommend this Norwegian Getaway out of New Orleans. It's really been a good time. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go back and check out the whole series of Norwegian Getaway videos. We'll have quite a few videos here for this. All right, hopefully y'all can see me okay, because I'm looking directly into the sun with the camera. There's gonna be a lot of music here at this port, and it's very loud, so I will probably mute a lot of this and put my own music to it. But when I'm talking, I'll unmute it and make sure you can hear what I have to say. All right, here we are, y'all, Costa Maya. And we got the tram right next to us. Give you a quick look from the outside. This is one of the beach pools where you can rent a chair. You can rent one of those loungers by buying a drink. Costa Maya. All right, looks like some excursions here to your right. A lot of picture opportunities. There's a good picture there. To get to the main part of the port, you have to walk through their duty-free area. ¿Qué pasa?
What are you doing?
I'm just doing a YouTube video.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Just a tour. Tour of Costa Maya. Nah. Restrooms right there, y'all. Okay, so this is one of the main pools. There's 3 pools here. Got a really good bar here, swim up bar. You can use the pool for free, but you can't sit in the chairs for free. If you want to sit in a chair, you have to buy a drink. All right, you got some more restrooms here. This is one of my favorite ones right here. Really good artist. This is one of our favorite shops. Okay, now you're gonna get into some shops like this where you can walk all the way through to the other side. You can make it all the way to the other part of the shopping over there. Just like this one.
Blondie is for you.
Who is the husband?
Fiesta Mexicana. This is one of the more popular shops too. A lot of different souvenirs here. So the Fiesta Mexicana is right in front of the flamingos. Okay, so now we've made it to where you can walk straight across and get to the other side of the shopping, and that's also the dolphin encounter right there, or dolphin experience. But I want to stay on this side for now and show you the middle part of this area. This is right here by the flamingos is right here. This is also the bird aviary. So I think it's $15 if I remember right. And they may have raised it, but it's a walking tour, and you get to walk on all this right up here to different huts. Like this is a different aviary hut, and you get to experience all the birds they have here on the island. But you can see one right here. There's a couple of them right there. All right, this is one of the main restaurants. Let me see if I can get a name of it. This is that same pool I showed you earlier, the main pool. I shot the other video from over there. There's also a restaurant over there where the main pool is, or the main bar is. All right, we'll walk through here. It's a little after 10, y'all, and there's plenty of seating here still. You'll also get a chance to see some of the rest of the bird aviary. See the walkways up here on top? Each of these huts has different birds in it. There's several, and it just makes a big circle. So this is the dolphin experience. We're gonna finish this circle real quick, and then I'll bring you back at the dolphin experience, see if we can get a price on that. So we're still at the main pool area. We're on another side now. That's that main pool bar. And if you walk straight down this way, you're gonna come across a different beach or pool area, a lot smaller. There's the dolphin encounter still. Okay, so Cantina Lantina is this main pool area, restaurant and bar. And now we're gonna go to the Mayan spa area, or it can take you back to the ship. So here is the smaller pool and a lot smaller beach area. But it's never been as loud over here. Seems to be a less crowded and not quite as loud. And again, if you want to rent a chair or use a chair, they've always charged me a drink. One person gets one chair for one drink. Last year I paid $18 to rent the chair for one drink. Not quite sure what these would cost you. These are new. I didn't see these last time I was here. But the reason we like this spot is because you got a view of the ships. Got a swim up bar here as well. Beautiful area. Okay, so right behind this little area is the massage huts. It's pretty massive. It's quite a large massage area. But I mean, you can see up there, up on the second level, I see two people getting massages up there. Now in the middle inside part of this, I haven't shown you this, but there's a few more shops. We'll take a look at that before we go back to the dolphin encounter. See some more of the bird aviary up here. All right, here's the massage prices. Thank you. So if you see something you want to spend a little more time looking at, make sure you pause the video, rewind it, and pause the video if you need to. Maybe like in the prices for that massage, you can pause the video. Here is the main part of the dolphin experience. And obviously, get your pictures taken with it. All right, I did not see a price list for the dolphin experience, and the guy's kind of busy. All right, we're gonna continue with the second half of this shopping area and the third pool. Here's another restaurant. This restaurant's good because you get a view of the ships, get a good view of the water, good view of the ships. Havana Mia, Cuban cigars. Get your hair done. So yes, you will find your taxis and shuttles all the way at the end of this run here. This is lockers for the dolphin experience and showers. More restrooms. Pharmacy. This is a restaurant, another restaurant here.
If you like it, the website is here, and I'll give you my business card with the discount.
Leather. Fresh roasted nuts. Little bar area. Oh, they got their Christmas stuff out. Good little picture taking area. All right, the pool is to our left, but we'll save it for last. We'll keep looking at the shop. Fish spa, get your feet done. Taxis, all the way down at the end. All right, y'all, that is the end of this side shopping, and your taxis are right out there, and your shuttles. That'll all be right out this way. And here's the last of the shops, right here, pharmacy and a jewelry store. So I've seen this bar open a few different times. It may not be open right now. Oh yeah, it's open. There's people down there. I mean, if you want some peace and quiet, this would be a good one. A lot of people don't realize there's a second half of this Costa Maya port area. So this pool area is really, really nice, but it's never busy. It's not, well, I say never. It does get busy, but it's never as busy as the first pool we came across as early. It takes this one a little longer to get busy because people don't realize it's back here half the time. They do have a flow rider. Sometimes it's going, sometimes it's not. Looks like they may be getting ready to start it up right now. Okay, as you see, this pool is not near as busy as the first one we ran across. And that first one will get busy and just more busy throughout the day. This one will take a little longer, but it's a nice little pool area. We've used this one once and the main one once. We really want to use that smaller one, but Tonya didn't want to get off the boat today, so I'm gonna get back on the ship. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this walking tour, and we'll see you on tomorrow's Sea Day video. All right, have a good one.